Right folks, I'm just outside the Paris Hotel in Vegas and I thought I'd do a wee quick video showing a wee bit of it. Now I'm not sure where the entrance is. I walked past it, I think, because I walked away down there thinking it was there, but I think it's just behind me. I think it's just over there somewhere. So I'm going to show you the tower first. And there's it. And I think it's down this. Oh. I think it's down this way. Sorry, I had to change the settings on my camera to show you the tower. So I'm still getting used to the camera. So I always forget to try different modes. So here we are. There's the big balloon with Paris on it. Now, I think it's down here. There you go. I have to say, I saw a really sad thing there. Somebody walked about in their pyjamas and they were what they were wearing was disgusting. It looked as if it had just been picked up out of a sewer and put on her. I really felt for the woman. And she walked past me and, you know, it was a good 5 seconds or so, maybe a bit, I don't know, it felt like a good wee gap. And then I could smell her and I thought, oh, that's a sin. And I thought, you know, seeing Vegas, there's people that live in the sewers. And I thought, is that one of them? You know, it was really sad, and kind of unreal. I've seen homeless people before and they've not been like that, you know, it was strange, it was really strange. But anyway, sorry. So I'm guessing this is the main entrance. I looked up the tower and to go on the tower it's $32. I thought about it, but I've not really got the time. So, and to be honest, I'd rather have a wee shot at gambling with that money. So we'll see. Yeah, that's a casino. So I know you can't really film in the casinos. So I just try to find the main entrance. It's a wee bit elusive, I think. See, it just looks like a casino there. Oh no, this is a hotel. There's a casino bit. Oh wow. That's amazing. Look at that. Okay, chandeliers. Wow, I'm really impressed. Well folks, I'm going to start again. I'm going to do another wee video. This is just amazing. I'm going to take another wee bit. So if you want to see more, just check my channel. Please like, subscribe and share and leave a wee comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.